Kasi hindi ko kailan ito mawawala. Eh, may mga singing engagements ako. So, kasi parang kahit may mic ka, hindi ko, iba eh. Iba yung, hindi ko ganong naririnig yung notes ko. So, kanina kumakanta ako. So, hindi ko alam po, ito pa yun, tinatamaan ko ba yung tamang notes? Medyo mahina din kasi yung, siguro dahil dun sa, hindi ko rin, wala rin monitors, so hindi ko rin naririnig yung music. Kaya, nung kumakanta ako kanina, hindi ko halos naririnig yung guitar ko, hindi ko naririnig yung boses ko. So hindi ko alam kung tama yung mga notang tinatamaan ko, medyo nakakapraning siya.
As in, wala kang naririnig? Kahit ni
Yung right ko, maayos. Pero kunyari, let's say, takpan ko siyang gano'n.
Wala.
Ang narinig ko ang narinig ko siguro mga, 10%. Sobrang ano siya, muted. Parang gano'n. Muffled.
And then
When
sabi
will it be fixed? Or
Ha?
when will it be fixed?
I'm on meds na. So, antibiotics, both oral, tsaka parang
Drops.
drops. Ewan ko. Sana soon.
So walang sinabi yung doctor na in 2 weeks you have to...
I think yun yung kaibahan pagdating sa ears. Hindi siya kagaya ng... I think it's the same with voice, diba? Ang boses, kapag tinamaan yung boses mo, kailangan mo talaga mag-voice rest. Diba? Hindi mo siya pwedeng madaliin. I mean, pwede ka mag-steroids for the meantime if you're doing a show, but it's still not the same. Kumbaga, after mawala yung effect ng steroids, babalik pa rin yung inflammation ng lalamunan mo. So I think it's the same. So, yesterday, nagpa-check ako, sinilipid tenga ko. Like, yung right, bukas. So makikita mo, maayos, makikita mo yung eardrums. Ika nga. Yung left, wala akong makita ang eardrums, puro nanay. Medyo you. So hopefully, mag-subside na siya soon.
Bakit siya, ba't nangyari?
Sobrang sipon. And siguro bumagsak din talaga yung immune system ko kasi, di ba, when we got back from Cannes, hindi ako nakatulog talaga ng maayos. Dire-diretso rin kami. So, kaya ganun yung nangyari. Nung tinamaan ako ng sipon, parang yung tube, hindi ko alam tawag eh, parang yung Stankian tube yata or something. Nagpara siya, tapos hindi nakakalabas. Hindi lumalabas ang nose eh, parang nandun lang siya, nandito lang.
Tapos may asthma ka pa.
Oo, hinika pa ako. So, double whammy.
Hininga na, tas tenga pa.
Ha?
Yung paghinga mo pa, tsaka yung tenga mo pa yung medyo.
So, medyo kaya we decided talaga na to really postpone the repeat. Kasi we wanted to make sure na when we do the repeat, alam mo yun, it's the same quality of performance na mabibigay ko. Hindi yung half bingi, half hindi.
Bingloy Saga ka pala ngayon.
Bingloy Saga. Pasok!
Pero...
Goldman was dead.
Pero ikaw, nagda-doubt ka kung nagsisintonado ka ba? Nagsintonado ka ba ever? Kasi syempre, plakado mo na yan eh, kamat.
Hindi. I think, hindi kasi ako, hindi ako perfect pitch eh. May mga taong swerte na kaya si Charlie Puth, di ba? Alam na kagad. Ako hindi ako gano'n. So, syempre, lalo na ngayon, parang I really wanna make sure na nandun ako. Ayoko maging flat, ayoko maging sharp. Nakakahiya. Love, saan ka pupunta? So guys, welcome to our press con. Let's all welcome Lisa Dino. Peace. And of course our director, Sir Anton. So this is the press conference for choosing Not a Straight
Not a
Play.
straight play.
Hi everyone! Nabusog ba kayo?
Yes,
Super.
thank you.
Yay! Si Dono niligat yung memo, kala niya Filipino, sa
Oo.
Asian.
Kasi pag ano talaga, kung Pinoy talagang nag-iisip.
Yeah, noted. Noted. May adobo dyan. may chicken
So itong
adobo.
choosing nata straight play ay kailan nagsimulang gawin?
Matagal na namin pinag-iisipan ni Ice na gumawa ng isang play together. Kasi the last na ginawa namin, yun yung nag-propose siya. Nag-produce siya ng isang play, kasama yung mga kasama ko sa theater, only to find out na proposal pala yun, noong 2013. So, imagine it's more than 10 years, from 11 years na. So, we've been trying to, put together something, and then ito na nga, finally, ayan na siya, nandun na siya. Through the help of Sir Anton, we were able to devise and create something that's very personal. It's actually our story and a collection of LGBT stories na we have been shared with us through the years.
We decided to start with a question on our first meeting. I forgot an object. So they look for a forgotten object and then they start to write a monologue based on ano yung sinasabi ng forgotten object. Kung kunyari, ballpen na nawala, na hindi na ginagamit ng matagal, ang magsasalita yung ballpen. Ganon. Kung kunyari, lumang sewing machine, or lumang plancha, or Playboy magazine, na luma na.
Yak, talaga?
So first time maririnig magsalita ang Playboy magazine.
Yes, yung ganon. So, parang those were like exercises in memory. Kasi the play is parang a cubist movement of one memory into another. Pero yung memory, syempre, yung memory nila as Ice and Liza. But, ino-objectify yun so that it can include stories as well of other people who have relevant stories or similar aspirations. Kaya ang characters, hindi sila. Ang persona ay si Mitch and Stella. Okay.
Yes.
Couple din.
Yes, they're a couple.
They're also a couple.
They're a couple na going through a complicated situation in their life na parang nasa isang stage sila ng relasyon nila na malaking pagbabago yon pag pinili nilang pumunta sa isang kaya choosing. If you choose going towards one direction, a lot in the relationship is gonna change. Or if you choose dito sa direction na to, whether it's about identity, tungkol sa next step sa pagkatao namin, iba rin yung pupuntahan nun. So it's always about the choices that you make.
Well, there are many plays, right? LGBT plays, which have a similar way of trying to look for one's identity. But what is particular about this piece is that it is specific to the memories and experiences which they experience, which I feel is more honest, right, than just performing a play that from off-Broadway or from Broadway or from England or, it's better to create our own and the original, because then the smells, the tastes, the senses, the viscerality, of the experience is honest. The smell of the palengke, may talipapa ba sila doon? Wala. May nangyayari dun sa talipapa. Habang hinahawakan niya yung karne, minomolest siya rin pa. At the same time siya ng kanyang uncle na dinala siya sa palengke. Gets nyo? So, iba yung, kunyari, hindi naman sila tumitingin sa mata ng isda. Sa ibang bayan, hindi mo naman makikita ang ulo ng isda. Gets nyo? So, it's a different kind of experience. You know, all the senses are involved. The importance of memory is very, very important. Kasi, tayo nakakalimutan na natin ang mga past. At actually, yung AI, the artificial news, and everything is training, our people and the whole world to erase memory. Everything is becoming artificial, virtual, ganyan. So the real self, and yun ang value I think about of the piece, that it is coming out of an honest self. Very beautiful stories na you can relate to.